In the Sphere video, we have seen the WASH Standard 1, but the Sphere project contains a total of 7 minimum standards for WASH. 1. WASH programs design and implementation. 2. Hygiene promotion. 3. Water supply. 4. Excreta disposal. 5. Vector control. 6. Solid waste management. 7. Drainage. In addition to Sphere, the WASH Platform Coordinator also needs to be guided by existing government policies and regulations, such as the National Water or Sanitation Policies. To define appropriate standards to be endorsed by the WASH Platform, the Coordinator will ensure that the standards are based on evidence-based good practice, build on existing national standards, and both the local and emergency context in determining appropriate standards. The role of the Coordinator in the process of defining appropriate standards is to focus on establishing a mechanism for the coordination of guiding principles, policies and standards, not on the detail itself. To ensure compliance with all necessary international and national laws and regulations through the policies and standards adopted. To facilitate a process for reaching broad consensus. To ensure that the principles, policies and standards proposed provide sufficient clarity for WASH actors and address all critical aspects of the WASH response. To establish an effective mechanism for the review and updating of policies and standards when required. Where national policies and standards fall below international best practice, to advocate for the enhancement of existing national standards. In some countries, the group of standards and principles of intervention are called Strategic Operational Framework, SOF. In the resource folder, you can consult the Strategic Operational Framework, or SOF, for Somalia. That is a good example of this kind of document.
That is quite a piece of work, and I can foresee some challenges and shortfalls.
Well, that is correct. Actually, I can suggest to do an exercise together that would help you identify important considerations in establishing and maintaining appropriate standards.